It shouldn't do that.
It shouldn't do that. I gotta get it. It's good, G. That's good, man. Yes, sir. Savage gang, savage family, man, savage speeders, savage nation, my savages. We back. What's up, man? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling today, man? I'm feeling good. I'm recording from my phone right now because I'm literally, I was recording for the vlog channel, and I'm in traffic right now, and I like to post by 5 or 6 o'clock Atlanta time. As of right now, it's 4:10. If y'all think I'm playing, it's 4:10. But I really want to get y'all another video, you know, other than what the title is for today. But it's all good, man. It's all good. But I did get a comment also on the last video when I told my monthly payments on the Hellcat. Somebody asked me, said, what about gas mileage? Like, how many miles I get per gallon? And, bro, to be honest, that's a whole nother ball game, bro. It's horrible. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, and I didn't get beat up, y'all. I had got bit by some crazy shit. I don't know. It's going down. But, yeah, man. The miles per gallon in this car, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I'm not boosting. I'm not, you know, doing the most. I gotta fill up every day. If I drive this car every day, I gotta fill up every day. You know, I do drive far, you know, far a lot. You know what I'm saying? But and I can't stay out of 707 mode. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I got a heavy foot, you know, so that might be the reason. But if I drive this car every day, I'm gonna have to fill up every day. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's bad. You know, right now it's telling me I got 17.4 average. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's telling me. It's only because I'm in traffic right now. It's only because I'm in traffic. I'm telling y'all, I don't know what it is exactly, bro, but it ain't no 17.4. It feel like a 11, a smooth 11. It don't matter if I'm in traffic. It don't matter what I'm in. And then even if you got the car just sitting here, I kid y'all not, it's gonna burn gas. Like you flooring the car, but it's just sitting here. So that is a big downfall for the Hellcats, you know. And the fill up, you know, for me, I'm guessing I don't know. It's like if you had a dead stop, like dead empty, like you about to run out of gas, I'd say maybe $50, 55. It just depends on what the, you know, it depends on your rate. You know what I'm saying? The Cali is $4 for regular, so it's like $4.30 for premium. You know what I'm saying? So it just depends. Right now, I gotta check the gas price. I don't know what it is exactly right now, but gas is definitely a major factor in the Hellcat. So I did have to cover that. Bro, you gonna let me get over or not? God damn, that's the Atlanta traffic, bro. I swear I can't do it. But I really want to get y'all another video today. But like I said, I'm trying to post every day for y'all. So right now I'm talking to y'all. Second thing, man, maintenance. You know what I'm saying? The maintenance on this car. So the oil change on a Hellcat costs roughly, I went to the dealership. And the only reason I went to the dealership and didn't do it myself, y'all know I like to work on my own cars. The reason I didn't do it myself because the dealership I bought this car from, they supposed to do the oil change, but they didn't. So they said they would reimburse me. So I did go to the dealership and seen the price that they charge. And bro, these folks charge like $100, a smooth $100. Who, bro? I'm too cheap, bro. I gotta turn wrenches myself, get it down, chop down less than half of that. You know what I'm saying? So the oil change alone is $100. That's sad. That's sad. I haven't had the car that long. I had the car for like a month now, so I haven't experienced anything else. You know, tires and all that. Right now I got 275s. But when I upgrade them, I'm gonna go to the Nittos, probably 305s, 350s, probably 315s. So maintenance on this car, it's bad, but it ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? Because you expect, it's a supercharged car, so of course the gas is gonna be, you know, bad. It's a supercharged car. What you expect? And when you start modding cars, it get worse. You know, it's just the way life works. It's the way cars work. And trust me, you don't want to mess up nothing on a Hellcat. What I mean by that, you just don't want to mess nothing up. So the stripes for the Hellcat, because I called him and I was thinking about replacing my stripes before. The stripes on the Hellcat, I believe he told me it was $1,400. He was either $1,200 or $1,400 for stripes. I mean, granted, they are carbon fiber stripes, but you want to hear? He wanted to hear it in traffic. I just spent a little bit. It's been raining all day, man. That's why it's kind of hard to get content for y'all. All right, man. But the stripes, $1,400, like $1,200 to $1,400. That's like crazy. You know what I'm saying? They worth it. They look good, but that's crazy. Second, the rims. These are the second most expensive pair of rims that I know of. The first would be the Shelby GT350 rims. They like $4,000 a piece. These rims on this car, y'all guess. What y'all think the rims on this car is first? Y'all drop a comment right now and tell me what y'all think. Alright, I'm gonna wait. Make sure y'all smash that like button and subscribe. Okay, so the rims on this car, each rim is $1,000. Granted, it's not as bad as the Shelby where each rim is $4,000, which add up to like a Prius or whatever, a lower grade Camry. You know what I'm saying? But it's, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to just know you don't want to mess these rims up. You know what I'm saying? Keep it at that. I can only imagine what the brakes and everything. See, I haven't went through none of that yet, so I don't know. But from my experience for having this car for a month, that's what I can tell y'all. The oil change is $100. The gas, if you drive it every day, you gotta fill up everything. You know what I'm saying? It just depends on how much you drive it, and it depends on if you can stay in eco mode, then you're a real one. Cause I can't. I'm sorry, my foot is always on the goddamn gas, and I can't help it. I honestly can't help it until it start eating deep in my pockets, and I'm forced. Sometimes I even drive in valet mode because I'm locked out. When you're in valet mode, you get locked out. So sometimes I do drive in valet mode. But, this is, damn, it was a bad accident, bro, Limpy. See, Atlanta traffic, man. Look, this is Atlanta traffic, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna wait till I pass this sign. I don't even want them to know where I'm at right now. You know what I'm saying? They can know I'm in Atlanta, but they don't even know where I'm at. All right, so, you know what I'm saying? This is Atlanta traffic right now. It ain't nothing but stop and go, stop and go. I actually gotta get over. But it ain't nothing but stop and go and stop and go. Another person asked me on the other video. He said, what was it? He asked me a great question. Oh, he said, did I do down payment? Did I put down a down payment? I did not have to put down a down payment. So, and this is going back to the other video, monthly payments on my Hellcat. I didn't put down a down payment because, see, you have to put down a down payment when this happens. So let's say the car you want to buy is $30,000, right? And this is for all my younger people. You know what I'm saying? This is for all my younger people. Paying y'all on game for the end of this video. $30,000 is the car. You get approved for $25,000, right? Say the taxes, everything out the door, you come up to $32,000. 32 subtracted by 25 is 7, right? So that's gonna be your down payment. So that's where the down payment come in at. Just to let y'all know, that's where the down payment come in at. It don't come in, just a magical number they come up with. It's whatever the bank give you, subtracted by how much you owe left. So if you qualify for $40,000 and the car you want is $30,000, you have a zero down payment because you're over that amount. If that make any sense to y'all, you know what I'm saying? If that make any sense, I'm not sure if I'm making sense to y'all, but and I think I'm gonna start talking to y'all more, man. I see a lot of people like the fact that I'm trying to give game and knowledge, because I own a dealership myself, so I know how the game works. That what I'm saying, you can't really play me, and I'm trying to put y'all on game as well. You know what I'm saying? So but that's gonna be it for this video, man. I hate the fact that I can't give y'all no quality content today. It's been raining all day. It sucks, man. It freaking sucks. It's been an ugly day. So But that's probably gonna be it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe as always. I definitely got some content coming for y'all, but it's been raining for the last few days. Trust me, it's been bad. It's been bad. Today is what's today? Monday, Tuesday, one of these days. My day is all messed up. But I think it stopped raining Wednesday or Thursday. Right now, it look like it's good, but it ain't. You know what I'm saying? It ain't. If y'all can see that. But like I said before, it's gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to go subscribe, man. And yes, sir, subscribe to my little ugly ass. Pow! I came up on Clayco, I blew up on Clayco, I came up.